Good morning, everyone. Today is April 24th, 2020. And for those of you that are still in bed, I want to share with you how my morning was this morning. The puppies still are in my room, and they'll stay there for probably another week. And this morning I woke up to this little guy just staring at me. Right, Oreo? Yeah. He was just staring at me. It was so cute. I had this puppy look. Look at them. For those who have been watching the puppies from day one, I'm sure you can see the big change. They're a lot more active. They actually just woke up now, and they're probably looking for their mom for some milky, but she's outside on a potty run. So let me go through this. This is Mickey. Say hello, good morning, my Facebook friends. Hi. That's Mickey. This is Hershey. Hershey's moving around. Hershey, oh, Hershey, stop putting your head up. Say good morning, everybody. That is our little guy, Hershey. And this was my morning buddy. Oh my God, they're getting so big I can barely hold them one hand. Oreo, stop. You're trying to put your head up. Say hello. Oh, what's that, Mickey? And Billy. Come here, Billy. Oh, Billy was taking a pee. I'm sorry, Billy. Sorry, girl. That was so rude. You were trying to potty. I'm so sorry. Okay, now, let me see. This is always a guess between these three because they are identical. Without me looking at their bellies and their chest, I can tell them apart, I think. Charlie. I think this is Honey. Wait, and that may be Milo. Let me check. I can tell. I'm pretty sure this is Milo. Hey, yes, I got it right. I'm sorry. Are you mad at me? Yeah. I'm sorry, okay? I'll put you down. Don't be mad at me. So, Charlie. Honey. Let me see. Yippers. Yes. Honey bunny. You're so precious. Hi. Hi. So as you can see, they're a lot more mobile, and they will be a lot more interesting in the next few days. So if all goes well, I will start introducing them to food because this is a really big litter for Mom. And it actually takes a pretty big toll on the mom. So her health and her well-being is my priority too. And the puppies normally start to try food at around 4 to 5 weeks. But given this is such a large litter, hopefully they will take more interest. Hi, Hershey. I see you there. You trying to make your way to me? Oh, do we have an escape artist over here? I think we do. So, look at you. You're going on your belly. Yes, you're going on your belly. I think I found a tickle spot. Okay, Billy, you just interrupted his belly rub. Or her belly rub, sorry. What you want? I had found a tickle spot. Oh, someone is enjoying it. Someone is enjoying it. So nice to see all the puppies moving around. You're holding back your brother. Let him go. Let him go. Hi, precious. Why are you so pensive, huh? What you thinking about? Oh, it's so cute when they start to play with each other. And there you have it, folks. The fabulous group of 7. Hope everybody has a blessed day. I am going to try to attempt to bathe all 5 dogs today, but it's also my mom's birthday, so I'm not really 100% sure if I will get to that. We shall see. Right, guys?